Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Project Management in Healthcare. My name is Mark Evans, and I will be your instructor for the next 10 weeks as we take a look at some of the basic project management techniques that are needed to do projects in healthcare, and in that matter, for any other organization. A lot of the principles and policies and things that you do in project management cross over all industries. So we're going to have some fun with it. We're going to have some case studies and ask you to put together some projects on a short-term basis, if you will. Learn some of the principles, some of the tools, and later on, when you're in your career and someone asks you to run a project, you'll think back to this class and some of the things that we taught you, and hopefully you'll be ready to take on a project and lead a team to success. A little bit about my background. You can read it there in the in Canvas, but I'm a human resources manager at an international firm here in Greensboro, North Carolina. I've done project management on a number of occasions. I've put in time management systems, storage and shipping systems. We've done lean manufacturing, lean management projects. And so I've done a lot of projects where I have used the tools and techniques that we'll be talking about over the next 10 weeks. And I look forward to working with you on those. In addition to my career, I have a master's degree in business management from University of Maryland, a bachelor's degree from Liberty University, and my associate degree from National College. So I've sat in some of the same classes that you sit in. Have dealt with a lot of the same problems of trying to work, take care of family, go to school, all that sort of stuff, just like you have. And it's kind of interesting to have started where you are and to move all through those various degrees and then come back actually as a teacher, so it's kind of cool. Right now I'm working on my doctor's degree in organizational leadership at Grand Canyon University, so I also take classes online just like you do. So hopefully I have some empathy for what you're going through. I understand a little bit of what you're going through, and hopefully by seeing me you can understand that you can certainly do this thing too. So I look forward to working with you. The subject matter can be very interesting. A lot of it is just understanding the terminology. Many of the tools are very easy to use, and we'll be playing with them and working with them all through the term as we teach you about project management. And then doing it in a healthcare setting. This is the first term that we'll use Canvas Learning System, and so hopefully you've been oriented with that program. Certainly email me or text me and ask me questions, and I will help you there. The syllabus is there, the course expectations or course information, which tells you all about how we're going to grade things and what is expected of you, is there. And then perhaps one of the most important areas is the course modules, and that's just a listing of weeks 1 through 10 with everything that you need to do. So for an example, in week 1 you'll see a class wall where you introduce yourself. There will be a section there to tell you about the course, what to read for the week, the assignments for the week, the quizzes, etc. So each module lays out what you need to do, and that is also linked, I think, to the calendar in terms of due dates and so forth, so you can see what's due when. So hopefully, Canvas is a lot like any other program. Once you start playing around in it, it becomes fairly easy to find what you need. So just wanted to take a few minutes and introduce myself and tell you about our class, and hopefully we will have a good 10 weeks. You will be very, very successful, learn something about project management, certainly learn about online education and the Canvas learning systems as well. So I wish you the best. I look forward to working with you in the class.